I'm working with an old camera here, so sorry for the video quality. This is a standard cloth mask that you'll find on eBay or Amazon or Etsy for probably like $10 to $20. They've got basically they're cloth. They've got a little pocket on the inside that holds a filter that comes with them usually. The filter that comes with them is a PM 2.5, which is just like a particular matter filter. It filters out just basically like pollution in the air, allergens, stuff like that. And basically the filter just slides into the mask just like this. I'll give you a short demonstration here. These filters should last until you're ready to wash your mask. At this point, if you need further filtration, a lot of people recommend vacuum bags. You can get them pretty cheap. They filter out, most are rated like 99% filtration. What I did basically is took out a bag, drew a trace of the PM 2.5 filter, and then cut that trace out. And did that several times, so you have a whole stack of them. And then I slide the vacuum bag filter right behind the PM 2.5 filter. So basically the idea that I had was whatever the first filter didn't get, hopefully the vacuum filter will get before, entering, the airways. On these masks, there's a cloth in front of the filter and cloth behind the filter, which is very important because just in case those filters do have anything or loose in them or anything that you could possibly breathe in, that cloth will prevent that from going through. Just a note, I put the yellow part towards the direction of the mouth because that would be the direction the air would blow through if it were in the vacuum cleaner itself. So I figured there may be a reason for that it may work better, I don't know. So that's the reason why the yellow side is facing the mouth. I also wanted to point out that the masks with the breathing valves should be fine as long as they have a standard filter in there. Some of the masks that have those breathing valves in them, they don't filter the air exiting the mask, and because of that they get a lot of pushback. Some places like in California actually have banned them. They feel like people who are asymptomatic, who may have a virus or something and don't know it, could unknowingly go somewhere and be thinking that they're protecting themselves and others, but really with that valve on there not being filtered, it could potentially spread germs. Well, thanks for checking out the video, and I hope it was informative, and I wish everyone the best.